Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Auzubillahi minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Alhamdulillah, masya-Allah, tabarakallah. Again, we are giving the opportunity to learn together something in mathematics T. So this time, let we go through what is a symmetric matrix. So it involving square matrix, example, matrix of order 2 by 2, matrix of order 3 by 3, and etc. So symmetric matrix with order 2 by 2. Example, matrix A, where it is ACCB, where AB is an entries on a leading diagonal. So leading diagonals act as a mirror. Hence, entries of A21 is equal to entries of A12, where it is equal to C. Extra examples of symmetric matrix with order 2 by 2, where given this is a matrix J, so this is a leading diagonal where the entries of the leading diagonals is 5, 6, J12 is equal to 1, where leading diagonal now is a mirror. So it's reflect the value of 1 reflect along leading diagonals. So it is equal to J21, where J12 is equal to J21, which is equal to 1. So another example, we are given a matrix K. So this is our leading diagonal, where the entries of our leading diagonals is 0 and 5. K21, elements in the row 2 and column 1, which is equal to 4, and this value reflect 8, K12, which is element at row 1 and row 2. Element at row 1, column 2. Another example, this is a matrix H. So this is our leading diagonal. Then all the entries of the leading diagonal is 7, 10. Let we take a look on the row number 1, column 2, which is H12. So the entries is equal to -7, where this value reflect along leading diagonal, and it is equal to H21. Symmetric matrix with order 3 by 3. So here is our leading diagonal 5. The entries of the leading diagonal 5, 11, and -7. So 5, 11, -7 is our leading diagonal and react as a mirror. So let's say the entries of P12. P12 mean the entries at row number 1, column 2, which is equal to 9, and this will reflect along leading diagonals produced at P21. So P12 will be equal to P21. P13, where it is an entries at row number 1, column 3, which here it is equal to 1, and it's reflect along leading diagonals. So 8 P31, which is row number 3, column 1. And then P32. P32 mean the entries at row number 3, column 2, where it is equal to 6. And it's reflect at entries of P23, which is entries at row number 2, column number 3. Another examples of order symmetric with order 3 by 3. Let's say we name it as a metric Q. And this is our leading diagonal. And the entries of the leading diagonal is 8, 8, 8. So Q12, entries Q12 mean entries at row number 1, column 2. So it is equal to 2, where it reflects at the entries of Q21, which is entries at row number 2, column number 1. So now we take a look at the entries at Q13, where at row number 1, column number 3, which is equal to 5, and then it's reflect equal to the entries at Q31, which is row number 3, column number 1. So let me take a look at Q32. Q32 is entries at column number 3, row number 3, column number 2, which is equal to 3, and it's reflect it is equal to entries at row number 2, column number 3. Alhamdulillah, Masya Allah, Tabarakallah, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, ala ali Muhammad. InsyaAllah, until we meet again